Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Macon County in west central Georgia, central Marion County in west central Georgia, east central Chattahoochee County in west central Georgia, southwestern Crawford County in central Georgia, northwestern Schley County in west central Georgia, Taylor County in west central Georgia, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:39 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Howard to near Tazul to near Zellaby, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Buena Vista, Butler, Roberta, Reynolds, Ideal, Bradley, Christopher, Nokomis, Rupert, Charing, Garden Valley, Hicks, Potterville, Mock, Tazul, Horns, and Pickling Mill. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for central and west central Georgia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.